Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah, my dear students. Welcome to this lesson in which we are going to use Python to predict students' cumulative GPA. Actually, we are trying to use Python to create a prediction program. This is the content of the lesson. We will focus on one of the famous data mining algorithms called k-nearest neighbor, or KNN for short. We will show how does the KNN algorithm work, and we will use Python to build a KNN classifier. Now, what is KNN? KNN algorithm is a simple, easy to implement supervised machine learning algorithm that can be used to predict new values based on previously learned values. Example, we can use it to predict students' cumulative GPA based on dataset of students' results. The KNN algorithm assumes that similar things are near to each other, are close to each other. Now, what is supervised machine learning? Imagine a computer is a child. We are its supervisor. Let's say parent or teacher. If we say that the computer is a child, we want the child or the computer to learn what a laptop looks like. We will show the child several different pictures, some of which are laptops, and the rest could be pictures of anything, like, for example, smartphones, tablets, desktop PCs. When we see a laptop, we shout laptop. When it is not a laptop, we shout no, not a laptop. After doing this several times with the child, we show him a picture and ask him, is this laptop? The child will correctly, most of the time actually, say laptop or no, not laptop, depending on what the picture is. This is actually the supervised machine learning. Now, suppose that we have two classes, pass and fail. Here we can say star is pass class and the triangle is fail class. In KNN, the K is the number of nearest neighbors. The number of neighbors is the core deciding factor. K in general is an odd number. When K, for example, equal to 1, the algorithm is known as the nearest neighbor algorithm, and this is the simplest case. If we get a new data and the data is placed in this place, as you see here, now we will calculate the distance between the new data and the star, which is pass class. And we will see which class is the nearest class to the new data. If it is a star, we say this new data could be classified or could be predicted as pass. And if the nearest class is triangle, we could say that the new data could be predicted or could be classified as fail. So it depends on the nearest neighbor. If the nearest neighbor is star, that means the new data is pass. If the nearest neighbor is triangle, that means the new data is fail. This is the KNN algorithm. It has basic 4 steps. Number 1, prepare and load the data set. Number 2, initialize the value of K. Number 3, find the closest k neighbors. Number 4, vote for labels. Now, suppose that here in this space we have two classes, star and triangle, and B is the point that we want to predict, which is a new point. Actually, it is unseen point. We set the value of k to 3. First, you need to find the k closest point to P1 and then classify the point by majority vote of its k neighbors. Each object votes for their class, and the class with the most votes is taken as the prediction. Here we can see that the k, or the 3 nearest neighbor, is 2 star and 1 triangle. So now we should say that the new data, which is question mark, should be classified or should be predicted as a star, because 2 star against 1 triangle. So we should say the unseen point, the question mark point, should be classified, should be predicted as star. Okay, now let us start writing the Python program. See you in next video.